Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create an alphabetical series list with Kutools for Excel. With the fill custom list utility of Kutools for Excel, you can create an alphabetical list and then use it in your future work without typing repeatedly. Click the Kutools tab. In the editing group, click the insert drop-down list and click on fill custom lists. In the fill custom list dialog box, click the edit list button. Then a custom list dialog box pops up and you need to manually enter alphabetical series from A to Z into the list entries box by separating each of them with the enter key. Click the add button and you will see the alphabetical list is added to the custom list box. Click the OK button. Then it returns to the fill custom list dialog box. If you want to fill the list in a column, please click a beginning cell and select fill vertically cell after cell or fill vertically horizontally cell after cell as you need in the fill order drop down list and select the alphabetical list you have created in the custom list box. Then click the apply button and now the alphabetical series list is created in specified column. And if you want to insert another list, select a beginning cell. This time select the fill horizontally cell after cell. Click apply. And from now on, the alphabetical series list is saved in the fill custom list dialog box and you can use it at any time as you need. And now you can close this dialog. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.